Hi, boys and girls. By now, we have learned all about immigrants and why they wanted to come to America. We know they wanted to come to America. Why? Can you remember some reasons? Let's see if you're right. They wanted to come to America to have a better life, to find better jobs, to make more money, get more land, and many other reasons. We also learned about their trip over to America and all of the things they had to go through. And finally, we learned about going through Ellis Island and the process it took to actually get into America and become a U.S. citizen. We know they were very excited to be in America, but today you're going to learn and be able to explain the struggles that immigrants faced when they got to America. So it wasn't very easy, as you know. So let's learn some different struggles that they faced. Make sure to pay attention so that you can explain at the end of the learning video some different struggles or problems they went through. First, coming to America was great. However, it wasn't easy. Immigrants wore different clothes, and they also ate different foods. So being in a new country was a little bit difficult for them because they weren't used to some of the new foods that they had to eat, and they didn't have clothes that looked like other people's clothes. So sometimes they were made fun of because of the way that they looked or what they wore. Some immigrants had trouble understanding what people were saying because they didn't speak English. And of course, that made them very sad and frustrated. Imagine, boys and girls, if you left America and went to a different country, you probably wouldn't understand what people were saying because you wouldn't speak their language. That made the immigrants very sad. Immigrants were not treated well either. They were made fun of because of the way they looked or how they spoke. Americans were not very used to different kinds of people. So when these people, the immigrants, came from a different country, Americans didn't know what to think about them. So they didn't treat them very nicely. And you can imagine that that must have hurt their feelings. Being made fun of for the way you look or how you spoke was very sad. Now, immigrants were very excited to start a new life in America. However, as we just learned in our learning video, they faced many struggles to have a better life. Do you think you can remember 2 struggles that you just learned in the video? I hope you can, because you're going to have to go and show us on your practice activity. And if you need to go back and review any parts of the video, go right ahead.